Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. Um, well, this morning we're gonna be doing a little bit of a beer review today. One beer I have done on the channel, one beer I haven't yet. I'm pretty excited about it. At least it's not that I can remember or think of. But ooh, Sol and Dos Equis. So we're gonna step it up a notch a little bit this week. Get away from the light beers a little bit. Although these two beers are kind of light already as it is. So we'll get them cracked open here, and you know the drill. So but yeah. Anyway, these are both right around. Dos Equis is about 4.2% alcohol, and Sol I think might be a little bit more. I think it's 4.5, or no, yeah, it is 4.5, 4.5. So yeah, if you guys can find them here, see there and a little on the side right there, and then same thing here, over here. So okay, well, take the shades off. It's morning, guys. If you hear neighbors, please forgive me. Okay. Okay. There we go. So we're gonna rotate these around, you guys. I have a pretty good idea what Dos Equis taste like. Sol, don't remember it that much. I haven't had Sol for like a couple years now, but from what I can remember, it's kind of strong. It's like kind of like Corona a little bit, I think. But let's see how it tastes today. Around a couple more times. Okay. Oh, there they are. Okay, so let's do the left hand beer over here first. So okay. Okay, that was the left hand beer. Let's try this one now, the right hand beer. Oh, okay. I know what this one is. This one has to be Dos Equis because it has a little bit of like a little bit like of a hominy kick to it, which is corn, the corn that they use for like menudo and pozole and all that. Has a little bit of that corn taste to it. So this is how I know it's Dos Equis. It has to be. So this is Dos Equis, and this first one here was Sol. Yeah, Sol was this one. Dos Equis was this. Yeah. Ooh, that sun is bright. Hope the video's not too bright for you guys. Sun's not shining directly in your face, but it's shining in mine. Okay, well that was good. That was interesting. Yeah, Sol. It's actually, I think it like it a little bit more than Corona. It's not as strong as Corona. It's strong kind of, but not as strong as Corona. Definitely a little bit stronger than the Dos Equis. Yeah, Dos Equis is a little bit more smoother, a little bit more lighter. So it's not really in your face, but it is closer to your face than Dos Equis is, that's for sure. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these two side by side. If you ever tried them side by side before, and if you do try it, let me know what you guys think of it. Oh, hummingbirds are out. You guys see the feeders? Watch. Where's the hummingbird? guys see it? Let's see if a hummingbird comes right now. I just heard him. We'll give him a minute. I think I'll end the video right here like that as we wait for it. But yeah, and then what do you guys think? Background, everything look good still. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the videos, you guys. Been putting out more stuff lately. It feels good. I'm having a lot of fun doing it. I wish I could have kept doing this a long time ago, and but now we're here. We're here now finally, and gonna try to be making. Oh, look, there it is. There he is. See? Say hey. The hummingbird fly by in the video. Thank you for being on YouTube. Thank you. The nice little hummingbird. It was like a little black and gray hummingbird there. It was look pretty. But at least that's what it looked like with my shades. Yeah, I'm gonna be having some merchandise going on sale pretty soon. I think here when I get that going, I'm gonna put the link in all of my videos, all the description for got a new logo coming out. I kind of have one out already, but a secondary logo coming out too, and you guys will see it on the main page here pretty soon. The icon one I have, that's going to be the primary logo right there. I might have different colors, all different variation of colors, not just going to be white and black all the time. So stay tuned for that. And then the secondary logo, and I'm going to be making some shirts, putting some shirts on sale pretty soon here. And like I said, once they go on start once that gets going, I'm going to put the link down in the description box. And yeah, go check them out, guys. Check out other beer reviews, check out my other videos, and whenever the merchandise comes out, check that out. So thank you guys again for watching. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate doing these videos, and yeah, if you like the channel, subscribe and stay tuned for more. And I try to put out at least 2 or 3 videos a week. So, and if I'm gonna start doing more, 4, 5, and then it'll be basically a video a day, because I want to grow the channel and do some arts and crafts here stuff pretty soon here too. I already bought some stuff for it, so we're gonna start with the color wheel next, guys. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for more beer reviews as well. Let me know what you guys want to see. I don't do heavy beers too often. Once in a while I will, but for the most part I stick to the lighter beers and the regular beers, the ones that are not too heavy at least. But once in a while we'll do a heavy one. I don't know if I'll compare it with anything, but we'll review it for sure at least. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and God bless. Have a great rest of your weekend.